a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! We need to take parts off the bulldozer. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be... There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart. Wonderful. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Super! That's it! That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Magnificent! Plug the wire into the right place. Red. Green. Blue. You fixed it! All done! Now help to assemble bulldozer! I knew you could do it! You can upgrade the vehicle! To take the car to the construction site. Use the button to smash obstacles. you like playing with me?
Ask Mom or Dad to help you. Call your parents for help.
It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the wrecking ball. Keep going. Perfect. Choose what you want to fix first. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. That's great! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super! That's great! Let's install the new parts in the engine. You're so smart. Magnificent! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Yay! Something is dripping here. Use the tool to cut the chains. Pick up all the junk with wires. Super duper! Awesome! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. You solved the problem! Something is dripping here. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. You're so smart. Perfect. Put a patch on it. Magnificent. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super duper! Perfect. The only thing left to do is paint. problem. All done. Now help to assemble Wrecking Ball. Keep up the great work. You can upgrade the vehicle. It's time to take the car to the construction site.